I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Weber Floor Screed. Weber Saint-Gobain produces a number of high quality products for use in the construction industry. This ranges from renders, tile fixing products, mortars, insulation and of course Weber Floor Screed. Their range of screeds can be used in residential, commercial and industrial settings. All types of Weber Floor Screed offer the same high standard for those looking for a good quality floor screed. Here is a brief guide to the very best of Weber Floor Screed. Weber Floor Smooth 4150 and Rapid 4160. These are both thin toppings, self-smoothing, self-levelling screeds which can be used to level concrete, sand and cement screeds. Once in situ, it can be covered with any type of commercial or domestic flooring. It's useful for domestic and commercial. Key features are it's light foot traffic after only 2 to 4 hours for the 4150 or 1 to 3 hours for the 4160. The final covering may be applied in 1 to 3 weeks. Low dust, low alkali and low emissions. Where it should not be used are on external projects where there is no final floor covering and for underfloor heating. It must be levelled first. And then we have Weber Fibre 4310 and Rapid 4320. These screeds are self-levelling renovation screeds which can be used for levelling concrete, wooden boards, anhydrite screed, sand and cement screed, insulation board, tiles and bitumen. Useful for domestic and commercial underfloor heating. The key features are that it may be covered with tiles, timber, laminate flooring, topping screed, light foot traffic after 2 to 4 hours, and with rapid that's only 1 to 3 hours. The floor may be tiled after 12 hours apart from tiles which should be left for 1 to 3 weeks. With rapid that's only 12 hours and 2 to 4 days. High durability fibre screed. It's a good alternative to latex screeds. It's got low dust, low alkali and low emissions. It shouldn't be used on external projects. It's not a wearing surface, so it must receive tiles or other floor coverings after application or a suitable topping applied. Weber Floor Base Rapid. Weber Floor Base is a rapid drying, self-smoothing renovation screed which can be used for levelling concrete, wooden boards, anhydrite screed, sand and cement screed, insulation board, tiles and bitumen. It's suitable for domestic, commercial and industrial projects. The key features are that it may be covered with tiles and the following Weber topping screeds: Weber Floor Smooth 4150, Weber Floor Smooth Rapid 4160 and Weber Industrial Pro Top 4610 Industrial Topping Screed. Light foot traffic after only 2 to 3 hours. The floor may be tiled after 12 hours and other floor coverings between 1 and 7 days. High durability fibre screed. It's a good alternative to latex screeds. It contains low dust, low alkali and low emissions. It shouldn't be used on external projects. It's not a wearing screed and must receive tiles directly on or a floor covering after applying a smoothing or topping screed. Weber Floor Screeds and Industrial Screeds. There are 2 industrial versions of Weber Floor Screeds: Weber Floor Industrial Pro Top 4610 and Weber Floor Industrial Rapid 4655. 4610 is a self-smoothing topping screed and the 4655 is a rapid drying self-smoothing screed and resin receiver. Both are suitable for use in industrial areas and both benefit from the following key features: low dust, low alkali, low emissions, also industrial use, foot traffic after only 2 to 4 hours, with final floor covering after 24 hours. Light industrial traffic can be accepted after 24 hours and 1 week for full use. Neither product is suitable for external use, and 4655 must be covered with an epoxy resin or polyurethane coating. For more information about these products, please call us at Speed Screed. We are happy to discuss the best screed for your project.